I'm done.
My love, if you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything. My last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you.
Okay, you guys, right now we are in McDonald's and we have ordered 50 nuggets. Regular. Stay tuned. We just picked up 50 nuggets from Wendy's.
And we'll see y'all back at the house.
Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video. I'm about to say I'm in. Wow, that's crazy. I'm Sean.
And I'm Ann.
Yes, sir. We know we ain't posting in a little minute, but yeah. Today, we're doing the 100 nugget challenge.
Yep, and so we got 50 nuggets from Wendy's and 50 nuggets from McDonald's. And we will see if we can finish all of them.
I'm gonna start out with the McDonald's.
Yeah, we starting off with the McDonald's. We got different sauces like barbecue, honey mustard, sweet and sour.
I call it.
Okay, you guys. We did not finish the 100 chicken nugget challenge at all.
We gotta work on this, y'all.
This is hard.
It's hard. And next time we do it, we gonna go all McDonald's nuggets. We ain't really like the.
I didn't really like the Wendy's nuggets this time, but I really
I
like
like
the
it.
Wendy's
I
nuggets
don't know.
though.
I guess they slipped today.
Yes,
But we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 10-piece nuggets from Wendy's that we haven't touched, and we got about 11 or 12 in this 20-piece of McDonald's we haven't touched.
That's 40 something nuggets that we didn't finish out of 100.
No, babe, we finished 40 something nuggets out of 100.
Oh, look, 10, 20, 30, 40 something. Well, how much do you think of these are?
Oh, you're right.
40 something nuggets.
We finished that. Oh, we finished a good bit then.
So it's 40 something nuggets that we didn't finish out of 100.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we not no big eaters, but I think we did okay. We could do better. But y'all liked the video. We're gonna do more challenges like this, and we will come back to this challenge. This challenge that have not seen The Last of Us. It have not. But
okay, well, thank you for watching our video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share,
comment, all that good stuff.
and see you guys later.
Be out.